Okay, so today I'm going to use these little plastic containers that I got from TEMU. It has the little blunt needle on the end, blunt tip needle. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this picture frame that I have, and I actually want to put this picture in it. So what I first have to do is I'm going to mix myself some lead. And I saw a video where you just use glue. Since I don't use this glue, it's probably clogged. So let's pour a little bit of glue in here. I'd say probably that much, just to fill the bottom. Then I'm gonna add some black paint. I was gonna do silver, but I think it would be better in black. Maybe I might add a little bit of silver. So I'm gonna mix this up. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a couple drops. Because I don't want it to be, I don't want the color to be really thick because I'm planning on putting this outside. So I just want, like, see, that's perfect. I just want a tint of color. I'll be right back when I get done with the leaves. There. Okay, so this time I'm just going to use the same container because it's just a little hint of green. I don't think that's really going to bother anything. So now I'm going to work on the flowers. So I'm going to do just a drop of my resin. And just a drop of this purple. And then what I figured is after I lay, I'm going to do like the purple in the center as well. I'll show you. And then I'm going to do white on the outside. So let's see how that works. And like I said, I don't think this green's really going to bother the purple at all. So I'll mix this up and I'll be right back. Okay, so I made this really pretty purple. So what I'm going to do, let's try to do two-tone flowers. I'm going to try to just drop this like right at the base. And then I'm going to do the same thing with that little needle. I'm just going to try to drag some of it out. Okay, so with a little bit of white that I have left, I am going to add red to do her lips. And then we'll cure it and see how it works. Have to pierce it. Be right back. Okay, I added just a little bit of red to the white that I had left. I'm going to do her lips. And then I have these little berries that come off of this. I'm just going to add little jewels. I'm going to take a little dot. Put it there. I think these might be just a little too big, so let's see if we can find something smaller. I'll be right back. Okay, now I'm going to add these little berries. I was going to do those, but they're just a tad bit too big. And there we go. So then I'm going to set this back on here for 60 seconds, and we'll be right back.